6 divided by 3 over 4, then times 4. We can easily cancel this 4 and this 4. So we have here 3 and 6 divided by 3, which gives us just 2. But this answer is not correct because multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to go from left to right. So first we have to do this division, not this multiplication. Okay? If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 6 divided by 3 over 4. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we can write 6 times 4 over 3, then times 4. Okay, and now we have here 6 and here 3. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. And 6 divided by 3 gives us 2. So we have 2 times 4. Then again we have here times 4. So 2 times 4 and again times 4. 2 times 4 gives us 8. And 8 times 4, which equals 32. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 32.